One of the best ways to start making more money per order is to offer custom hats with every custom shirt order. It's as easy as just asking your customers, would you like some hats with that? Custom hats are great for anybody that's outside during the sunny months, like construction workers or sports teams. Basically, anybody who's asking us for custom shirts during summer, we ask them, would you like some custom hats with that? It's really easy to make custom hats. All you have to do is take the artwork that your customer already gave you for the custom shirts, you scale it down so they can fit on the front of a hat, and then you use the Captain Platen to heat press it down into place. The hat costs about $4, and then it's another $1 for the DTF transfer, so let's just say $5 for the whole product. If you charge a customer $20 for just one of them, that's $15 profit. If you make a dozen of them for $100, that's $40 profit on top of the custom shirt order they already made. Offering custom hats is a great way to offer more products to the same customers, but it's also a great way to cross-sell a high profit margin item with every single order.